What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. Today, Friday, June 6th, we have an exciting video today. Check out that guy in the orange shirt. He's carrying those two boxes because Costco has just dropped the new Pokemon cards. Super busy here at the warehouse. Police are on scene. Police are on standby because of precaution. Now, the line does go all the way to the end of the store. How do I know that? Because I was already in line. I bought a set myself. They make you put it in the car, and then you could come back in and do your grocery shopping. So here I am filming. Now, I don't know much about Pokemon cards, but every time Costco sells them, I grab a couple of boxes. I keep them in my house in pristine condition, and then maybe one day I'll resell them. And in today's video, we have an exciting one. We have Costco Clearance Fridays here at Costco. So many amazing deals. Let's not waste any time and get on with the video. And starting the video off, in the number one spot from TCL, we have their 58-inch TV, their S571, currently a manager special at my local warehouse. Now, right in front of us, this TV is a manager special. How do we know? Because it ends in a 00. Anything that ends in a 00 is a manager special specific to that local warehouse. It doesn't align with other warehouse. If it ends in a 97, that's a clearance product here at Costco. We can see this TV from Samsung. This is their 43-inch TV. It was $199.97 on clearance. They dropped it down to $120 even. That's a manager special. From clearance down to a manager special. And I did get a comment last week stating, if I show manager specials, they're not going to watch my videos anymore. Well, I'm here to tell you that's not a great idea. Why? Because friends support friends. So hit that thumbs up button. Right in front of us from Epson, we have their 3850 on clearance for $279.97. How do we know it's on clearance once again? Because it ends in the magical 97 on the price tag. Now, it's good to know the manager special. Why? Because that kind of gives us a baseline of what the rock bottom price is. Now, not all clearance starts at the same exact time. Some people may be tempted to buy this printer right now on clearance, but it's also good to know the manager special price if I do show you that or if I come across it. Now check it out. Here it is the following day on a manager special, a nice $80 price drop. That's good to know. So if it goes on clearance at your local warehouse, say for like $209.97, just buy it, before it sells out. That's a good reason why you should want to know the manager specials. Also, just because it's a manager special at my local warehouse doesn't mean it won't be on clearance at your local warehouse. And next up from Lenovo, we have their Idea Center. Now this item has gone on clearance at a bunch of other warehouses probably over a month ago. Now here it is at my local warehouse. It finally dropped on clearance. It's a 27-inch touchscreen with an AMD Ryzen 5 processor, 16 gigs of RAM with a 1 terabyte hard drive. It's full HD, 1920 by 1080p, has Bluetooth 5.2 in it. Now it's currently on clearance for $749.97. That's definitely a no buy in my opinion. Wait till it drops down to $499 or less. I've seen it at a bunch of other warehouses down to $499. And we've definitely seen this one before in my videos. We have the Platinum Series seat cover protector. This is their 4-in-1. Pretty sweet deal here. Has a backseat Hammond. This is great for an SUV or even a cargo van. Now, it does fit most vehicles. This is a backseat bench cover. It's water and tear resistant. A great clearance price. This is for our fur babies. Pretty sweet price here at $14.97. As of right now, we still have about 40 minutes left of the giveaway, so by the end of this video, we should be able to announce the giveaway in today's video. Also, friends, make sure you watch the video to the very end. We have a lot of great patio furniture on clearance I did want to show you as well. And I did want to show you another great example here at the warehouse. Now, currently, I'm at a complete different warehouse. We have these puffs right in front of us. These are on clearance. All they have available is the gray color. The cream completely sold out. These are going for $39.97. The original price, $52.99. Now the gray, that's all that's available, which is fine. Now some of you may be tempted to buy it. Some of you may want to wait. It's good to know the different price points. Even if it's a manager special, it's good to know to see how low a clearance product may or may not go. So here in Boston, which is today, June 6th, we have a manager special on those puffs. Check out that new price, dropped as low as $35 even. Not much of a price difference there, but that's a manager special, $35 even. So we do have the OXO water bottle cleaning drying set currently on clearance. Now this set is an all-in-one set, great for cleaning and drying bottles, even lids and straws. It has a place for everything. Now the rack can hold up to 4 water bottles, even the lids and the straws, which is pretty nice. It's dishwasher safe, it's BPA free. Now it even includes that brush that we can see there. It does have a flexible neck as well, on clearance for $12.97. We also have another option for you. If it's sold out at your local warehouse, you can grab it here at Costco online for $14.97. And if you missed out on the Wagner 18-piece paint set at your local warehouse and you want to buy it now, you still have a chance to grab it at Costco online. 18 pieces, and check out that price, only $14.97. If you're loving the Costco online deals, leave a comment below. Let me know you want me to make a Costco online clearance. They do have a bunch of pretty sweet items I did want to show you, but I don't want to make today's video too long. So if you want to see that video, let us know in the comment section below. And check out this deal from Hydro Flask. We have their Essential Hydration Set. We have a 40-ounce tumbler, and we also have a 32-ounce wide mouth. Now, I do prefer the wide mouth better because it doesn't tip over. These are BPA free, dishwasher safe. They're insulated stainless steel. We have 2 different variations to choose from. We have the black, we have the white. As you can see, they did have a navy at one point. This is a great price at $39.97. I do believe it's going to drop even more. Now these from Seville, these are the expandable cabinet pantry organizers. I did show this in one of my videos about 6 weeks ago when it was marked discontinued. It finally dropped on clearance. This does feature 100% bamboo construction, has removable dividers. Also, if you look really closely, you can see it has handles on the side of them, which is pretty nice. You can pick it up and move it very easily, which is great. These are currently on clearance, $16.97. And we do have a good amount of runners currently on sale, some on clearance here at the warehouse. This one from Gertmanian, we have their Avalon collection currently on clearance for $29.97. Now it is 2.2 feet by 8 feet in length. We have a few different variations to choose from. Pretty nice rug here from Gertmanian. If you're in the market for a runner, definitely check this one out. Grab that item number in the bottom right hand corner and check your local warehouse, $29.97. So we've all seen the chocolate croissants from La Boulangerie. A lot of mixed reviews on those, but these right in front of us, we have their filled pancakes. They come in 20 individually wrapped pancakes. They have a nice, beautiful chocolate hazelnut spread in them. Now these are also made in France. And the macros, let's have a look at those. 150 calories per serving, 21 grams of carbs, 10 grams of added sugar, and 2 grams of protein. These are currently on clearance. You get the entire box here for only $2.97. Our next item, a pretty popular item in the garden section. A lot of people love this statue. It's the 35-inch blue heron statue. Now they do come in a pair, so you get a 2-pack here, which is nice. Has that beautiful all-metal construction, crafted from steel. Look at the amazing detail, looks amazing. Has that nice high gloss enamel finish as well. It's weather resistant. Now it does take a little bit of assembly, but that's okay. It's not too much. Now you do lock it in place in the ground with some spikes. Nice little statue here. Comes in a 2-pack. It's currently on clearance for $24.97. If you don't have it at your local warehouse and you do want to buy it, you can grab it for $39.99 at Costco.com. Now these are pretty sweet. We have these solar patio pillars. I was thinking about grabbing a couple of them. I do like the design of them. They look pretty nice when they illuminate at night. Now if you don't have a nice even flat surface to set it on, they come with these nice garden stakes, which are pretty cool. You just hammer those right into the ground and you set the pillar on top. Gives it that nice stability. At the top of the panel, we have these solar LED panels, which is great. These are 32 inches in height by 8.2 inches wide. They look fantastic. Currently on clearance for $39.97. Expect a nice $10 price drop if you have a lot of units at your local warehouse. And we do have another set of Bluetooth speakers currently on clearance, this time from Skull Candy. We have their wireless Bluetooth speakers. Now this does come in the 2-packs. They're IPX7, so that means they are waterproof. They're ultra portable. Look how small the design is. They're ultra rugged as well. They're very durable. Now they do have passive radiators inside of them. They have aluminum carabiners that you can attach to, which is pretty cool. Now these are currently on clearance. You do get the 2-pack for $39.97. Now, this next item, most guaranteed, you're not going to find at your local warehouse. But if you do stumble across a product at your local warehouse like this one, most likely it was a return that was unopened. They just labeled it, throw it back on the shelf. A manager special at $375 even. This is from Netgear, their Orbi. This is their whole home mesh Wi-Fi 6 system. Comes in a 3-pack, and it does cover up to 7,500 square feet. Pretty sweet deal for the Orbis, $375 even. And here from Clorox, we have their scrubber set. Pretty nice looking set here. Now this is their tub and towel brush and scrubber set. Has interchangeable attachments. They're easy to swap, super easy. You can clean showers, tubs, towels. Now it's compatible with the Clorox wipes as well, which is pretty sweet. Has nice durable bristles, on clearance for only $12.97. Now, we've seen so many great deals here at Costco when it comes to mattresses. If you're in the market for a new bed frame, maybe a foundation bed frame, check this one out from Enforce. This is a 7-inch metal foundation. Now, it does include nice headboard brackets, not the headboard. It gives you brackets to attach a headboard, but they do give you legs as well. Pretty sweet little foundation here. So you can either lay it on the ground flat or you can attach those legs to it. They give you that nice cover that makes it appear as a box frame. Pretty sweet little frame here. The queen size going $139.97 and the king size for $149.97. And I do want to head back to the garden section. We have a couple of planters on clearance. Even these steel plant caddies right in front of us on clearance as well. Now these come in a 2-pack. They're 100% steel. At my local warehouse, we still have plenty of inventory left. I'm going to wait till it drops on price a little bit more. Now they do have heavy duty ball bearing casters at the bottom of them. Supposedly they're supposed to be pretty smooth when you're moving them around. I do want to test it out, so no worries. We're going to do that in just a moment. They're black. They have that weather resistant finish to it. They're 15 inches by 15 inches, just under 3 inches in height. Now there's no pots included, obviously, but you can grab them for $24.97. So right next to it, we have these blue ceramic planters. Now these are very nice. I love the colors on these, but I also like the white ones next to them. The white ones are lightweight concrete. These blue ones are pretty heavy, so definitely lift with your legs if you are going to purchase them, and be very careful. They're very nice. I love the enamel finish on them. They look pretty awesome. Now Costco at my local location, they have just dropped the summer hydrangeas. These are awesome. $36.97. And then to my right, these are the lightweight concrete ones. They're a little bit bigger in size. Now I do like these as well. What I like about these, they're a little bit less in weight. So if you do have to move them around, you don't have to worry about breaking your back. But I love the color of the blue ones. But me personally, I may grab these lightweight concrete ones. Now they have that beautiful white finish to them. These are $39.97, a great price here. I'm definitely going to wait to see if it drops next week. We still have a few left. I don't think they're going to sell out over the weekend, even though it's going to be super busy. I may take a gamble and wait until next week. So I did put one of these planters on top of those caddies. Let's give it a nice kick to see how nice it rolls. And look at that, smooth as butter. Let me go grab that before it falls down and breaks and I have to pay for it. You know me, I love throwing things around here at the warehouse. No worries, they don't mind. Everybody loves me at Costco. Let me give it another kick here. Pretty sweet, rolls super easy. Don't break anything if you come to Costco. Anyways, let's move on, friends. Right in front of us from DeWalt, we have their drum fan on clearance. Check out that price, pretty amazing for the drum fan. That's a sweet price. $49.97. Everyone loves that drum fan. Super large. This is their 24-inch drum fan. And the original price was close to $120. It does have a nice all-metal housing with a 5-year limited warranty. It's under 60 decibels, so it's not too loud. And what I love about this unit, it comes with a 12-foot cord. I also own the benchtop fan, which can get pretty annoying because that cord is super short. This one is 12 feet in length. You can grab it for $49.97. At Costco.com, it's still going for $169.99. And we also have a good amount of patio furniture currently on clearance. This one from Sunvilla, we're looking at their Nicholas. This is their 7-piece outdoor sling patio dining set. Now you get 2 rocking chairs, you get 4 dining chairs, and then you get the table. This is made out of lightweight aluminum, so it's pretty easy to maneuver around, which is nice. Scratch resistant, which is great. The top of it, the table is currently on clearance for $999.97. And to my left, also from Sun Villa, we have their Archer. This is their 3-piece outdoor patio dining set. This set is absolutely beautiful, very comfortable, super, super comfortable. If you need something small, something compact, something nice quality, this is definitely the set. Now you do get 2 swivel rocking chairs, 1 table. It's a beautiful set. If you see this at your local warehouse, sit in it, try it out. You're gonna love it. Pretty awesome set here. Now I do hope the price is going to drop a little bit more. If it does, you may want to consider buying it. This is an awesome set once again for $599.97. Now, if you're looking for a table with a nice fire pit in the center, this one is a little bit higher up. This is the Oakland, their 7-piece fire outdoor dining set. Now, you do get 6 swivel chairs, 1 fire table, so that centerpiece does open up, has a nice fire pit inside of it, 6,000 BTUs, so it is a good amount, has that rust-resistant aluminum core construction on it, as you can see there, and this is a pretty nice dining set. I do like it. Quite expensive, though, for the price, still $1,499.97. Now, as I was walking around, I did grab the shot of these Archer chairs once again, so you can get a better idea what these chairs look like. I don't know why, I like these chairs a lot. Look how thick those cushions are. But anyways, friends, let's move on to the next item. And this one's for the ladies. We have the Deer Foams in front of us. These are the slip-on slippers. Now these range from small, medium, large, and XL. All they have available is white at my local warehouse. They're machine washable, which is great. Great for indoor and outdoor as well. These do look fantastic. Very inexpensive for Deer Foam slippers. Only $9.97. Stay put, friends. We are going to announce the giveaway in just a minute, so stay tuned for that. I do have to go to the website to grab the lucky winner, so stay tuned. Give me 1 second. And here we have it, friends. We have the Shark Womvac, the Power Pet cord-free handheld vacuum that only weighs 1.5 pounds, super lightweight. And the lucky winner of this giveaway is going to be Fernando. You are the lucky winner from San Bernardino, California. You are the winner. Congratulations. Everybody congratulate Fernando in the comments section. You are the winner. I am going to send you an email, Fernando. Just respond to that email, and we will have this item shipped out to you right away. Thank you for entering the giveaway, and let's get back to the Costco video. All right, friends, end of the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We do put out some great Costco content every week, some of the best videos around. If you already subscribed to the channel, hit that thumbs up button. Support your friend here. Friends support friends. Don't forget, hit that thumbs up button. Also, friends, I am going to put out another video tomorrow. If you want to see a Costco online clearance video, let me know in the comment section. I'll do that one as well. I hope everyone has a great weekend. Relax, take it easy, put the AC on, don't dehydrate. Also, congratulations, Fernando, again. Don't forget to respond to that email. I'll see you tomorrow, friends, with a new video. Peace.